Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Here I am Arundhati ma'am teaching you science of class 3. So before we start off with the chapter, I want to tell you a thing. In science, you will have to use two interlit copies. One is classwork copy and another is fair work copy where you do your homework. In chapter 1, we have done all the question answers and the short questions. All these question answers, you are supposed to write it in your classwork copy. So, all of you will remember that in your classwork copy, whatever question answers we have done, you are supposed to write it down so that it is easier for you to learn up for your exam. So, we have finished chapter 1. Today we are going to start off with chapter 2, which is on human body. So children, you turn on to page number 9, chapter 2, human body. All of you know what is a human body? We ourselves are the human body. So here, first thing we are going to learn about a human body is the organs and the organ system. Our body has many parts or organs that we use to do things. We use our eyes to see what is around us. We use our hands to pick up things. We use our legs to walk and run. So our body, the human body, is made up of plenty of organs and organ systems, and all these organs and organ systems help us to do all the activities which we do throughout the day. First of all, with the nose, the lungs and the windpipe, we breathe in, breathe out, take in oxygen, give out carbon dioxide. With the eyes, we see all around. With the ears, we hear the things which are going on around. With our hands, we pick up our things. With our legs, we walk and run and so on. So, our body also has many parts. So, there are many parts which are outside that which you can see, like the eyes, the nose, the ears, the legs, the hand, the chest and so on, the fingers and so on. As well as our body has plenty of organs which are inside and we cannot see them. For example, the brain, the heart, the lungs, the stomach, the liver, the kidneys, the bones and the muscles are some organs that cannot be seen. They all are inside our body, protected by the bones, covered by the muscles and the skin. So from outside we cannot see them. But they also, all these play a very vital role in functioning all our day-to-day activities. Now we go on to the next page, page number 10. Which says the organs which are inside our body, all these organs like the kidney, the lungs, the stomach, the liver and so on, all these are called the internal organs. So, when we press our elbow on the knee, we feel something hard. These are the bones. We feel the bone. We cannot see the bone because the bones are covered with the muscles.